Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass Google Family Link on your device. So as you can see, I have parental controls on my device and I want to bypass it. How can I do it? So firstly, open settings, then scroll down, choose Google here, click on manage your Google account, then click get started. Choose data and privacy here and scroll down. Click delete your Google account. Confirm your password. Then click next. After this operation, your Google account was deleted, but not afraid, we will recover it later. We have 40 days for it. So click I understand, scroll down, click yes, and click delete account. Wait a while, and cool! Google Family Link was successfully bypassed. All my applications are unlocked. As you can see, applications unlocked now. So cool! All applications are unlocked, and now we can fully remove Family Link from our device. So now we need to recover our Google account. To do it, scroll down, choose Play Store here, choose sign in, and log in into your account. So enter your email. You will see this message that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. So click next. Enter a password. And click next again. You will see this message that something went wrong, but not afraid. You need to log in into our account last time. So enter email. As you can see, we can see error message, and you need to enter your password last time. Click next. Wait a while. Click I agree. Scroll down, accept, and cool! As you can see, Google account was successfully recovered, but applications are unlocked. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.